remember where I left off last, but I thought I would come back on and kind of show you after I was all done. So I think I had started putting in these layouts. So I have those two layouts in there, and then I did bring in one of these 4x4. Are they 4x4? I think they are. And I put a ton of photos in there, so these ones I probably will have to like edit those down and then add the extra photos somewhere else. So I have these all put in there. This one, I still need one more layout, and I think I have it somewhere in my room. I don't know where though, so I'll have to find it. But I think I have one that I made soon after this about the eclipse. Okay, so then I put in, and see, once I get towards the end of organizing the photos into the spaces, I stop cutting down the 3x4s and I just stick them all in the 4x6 pockets because I get really bored really fast. So here's this 3-page layout, and then I added in some more of those. I need another layout here. I'm not sure if I have one that I've already scrapped that needs to go there or what. But this is towards the end here of this album. This is the first day of school, which I actually have started the first day of school in a different album, but I decided just to put it here at the end. I also noticed that I had some photos that I had set in the back here that I needed to put up here in the front. So I did come up here to the front and add in, let's see, this. So I had these photos that I had set behind all of my layouts. I don't know why I did that. So I need to make a layout about Piper exploring Jonas's room during that first week. And then I have a layout that I already scrapbooked, and this is a sneak peek. I'm not posting this one for another week or so, or maybe I already posted it, but this one is going to go here on the front of that, and then we'll have the Piper layout. So, but I have to take photos of this one and post it and all that, so I'm not going to put it in there just yet, but I did put a little sticky note in there so that I knew what layout goes there. So that is my layout process after getting my photos and after being done with the layouts and everything. So I am waiting on photos to put in here, and let's see, I think that's all for these first few pages. I have everything all journaled about. This is one of my favorite layouts. So this is the original photo I took back in 2008. Brennan was 2, I believe, and then this is almost 10 years later, and I took the same photo. It's just, I love this comparison one. So I've got all the journaling done on all of these, which makes me so happy because that's one of my goals for this year, is to journal on all my layouts immediately, and I'm doing pretty good. I'm not amazing, but I'm doing pretty good. This album, as you can see, is kind of overflowing, so I am going to have to readjust and put together the albums differently as I start getting more layouts done and things, because I know there's some that I've missed. So I am going to have to go through it again, which is totally fine with me. It's totally fine. Anyway, sorry, I'm organizing my desk as I'm talking to you guys because it's driving me insane. It fell over. I found this fine line applicator bottle. This is totally like squirrel moment, but I had to share this with you guys. So I found this because I've been cleaning up my room the past 2 days and kind of reorganizing it and everything. So I'm going to do a new scrapbooking studio tour soon. I don't know when. I've changed up my desk and everything is basically the same. I've just changed up the organization of my desk. I think that's the biggest thing that I changed. But anyway, so I found this when I was cleaning, and I haven't seen this in probably 2 or 3 years, honestly. And I was expecting it to be fully just hardened, but it wasn't. I was kind of surprised, and I actually just tried using it to glue on a title that came off as I was putting the layout away, and can I just tell you, it hurt my fingers so much to push on this thing. I was never really huge on the fine line applicator bandwagon. I bought one to try it out, and I obviously never used it. This thing is full. I don't know if you can see, but this thing is pretty full. It comes to here, and I would have filled it up, you know, at least to here probably. So I didn't use it very much, but now that I have arthritis, I don't know if I've done an update video for you guys where I told you, but I have psoriasis, I can't talk, psoriatic arthritis, which if you guys have watched my video for years, you'll know I have a lot of skin problems. And I've had some people comment on my videos, like, especially when I first started my channel, they would comment and be like, why are your arms so gross? And it's just like, sorry, that's just my life. And over the years, it's gotten better and better. And this is actually the best that I've been in a long time, how my skin is doing right now. It is kind of breaking out, but not as bad as it normally does. Anyway, long story short, I finally got diagnosed with psoriatic arthritis. And basically, my doctor was telling me that I have psoriasis, and the way my body deals with my arthritis is that it gives me psoriasis. So it makes my body break out, and in really itchy patches and just sores and everything. The sores have actually gone down a lot. So I don't get sores as much. And I think the sores were just like stress based. Because when I first started getting, like, having this, I had a lot of problems in my life. And I'm not going to go into details or anything right now, but I think it came on because of stress, and I think I've probably had arthritis for quite a while. It just flared up really bad this last year, and I started the diagnosis process, gosh, I want to say it was back in, let's see, November of last year, maybe sooner, maybe it was September. Anyway, it started towards the end of last year, and I finally got a diagnosis in January of this year. Sorry, I don't know why I'm talking about this. I'm just in the mood to talk apparently, but it hurt so bad to squeeze this. Like, I was like clenching it so hard, and my fingers like are super sore now. So I think I'm gonna go to bed because it's already 10:30. Oh, 10:45. Yikes. Mark went to bed 40 minutes ago. So I'm gonna go to bed. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I know it's a little different, but I'm super excited to be getting so close to finishing my albums, my 2017 albums. So I'm gonna run. I will see you guys later. Bye!